DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with the most advanced technology in a tiny body and has become the most popular one for both beginner and professional drone users. It's actually a shrunken version of DJI's expensive drone. Also, the Mini 3 is compact, yet powerful enough to capture footage professionally. But we think there is still room for some improvement, and we are hoping that the DJI will fill the room with its upcoming drone Mini 4. The good news is some say the DJI Mini 4 is indeed in development, and we might be able to see it next year. So here's our expectations on it. DJI crafted the Mini 3 Pro pretty carefully, and there's no doubt about it. It even comes with a completely new design compared to its predecessors. We don't expect any design changes from the upcoming Mini drone, but we can hope for some improved durability, as we know this will be tough to keep it under 250 grams while ensuring improved durability. As a top-notch drone company, we think DJI will find a way to fulfill our wish. Moreover, as a lightweight drone, you'll face a challenging time keeping it stable while the wind comes by. In that case, an improved built-in gimbal might help to reduce the shakiness even when in the high wind. Another exciting thing we got from the Mini 3 Pro is a 4x3-inch CMOS sensor with 48 megapixels image capturing capability. Compared to the previous model, this sensor is larger but still no match for the 1-inch sensor of the Air 2S. Now, we're not saying the Mini 3 Pro has a bad sensor, but it could be better to capture more sharp and detailed videos even in low light conditions. So it's expected to have a 1-inch sensor just like the Air 2S in the upcoming Mini 4. There's even more. So, as you might know, the Mini 3 Pro can record 4K videos at 60 FPS, which is actually pretty common for all current high-end drones. Again, if you look at the Air 2S, you'll see it can capture footage with 5.4K resolution at 30 FPS. So if DJI adds this feature in the upcoming Mini 4, that would be pretty amazing. Regarding the vertical mode, DJI Mini 3 Pro has a small issue, which is that all of the intelligent flight mounts go to offline mode, including active track, point of interest, and master shots. We did not expect anything like this from a drone of this caliber, so DJI should consider keeping it enabled in the upcoming Mini 4. Regarding obstacle avoidance, the Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing, which is not entirely reliable due to having a large blind spot. So we want to see 360-degree obstacle sensing in the Mini 4 to protect it from every possible angle. There is also another thing we would love to see, which is turtle mode. Now, yes, we know it's kind of funny to say that, but it's actually an amazing feature to have. In terms of battery life, the Mini 3 Pro provides up to 34 minutes of flight time, and with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus you can enjoy up to 47 minutes of exploration. But the problem is that the Battery Plus increases the drone's overall weight. So if DJI Manager provide improved battery life without increasing the weight, that would be pretty amazing. In short, DJI's Mini series is the best compact drone that you can have in the market right now, and with Mini 3 Pro, DJI managed to push its performance even further. But there are some features we would love to see in the upcoming DJI drone, the Mini 4, including a larger sensor, 360-degree optical avoidance, improved battery life, and durability. So what do you think? What feature do you want to see in the upcoming Mini drone? Please let us know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.